Welcome to an exciting tour through 9 dream home living rooms that redefine elegance and sophistication. In this exclusive video tour, we'll explore living spaces that are bathed in pristine white tones, creating an ambiance of pure luxury and timeless beauty. What sets these living rooms apart is the infusion of high-end opulence through the use of textured and patterned fabrics. These luxurious elements elevate the design to new heights, adding depth and visual interest to the space. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration and exclusive tours. As you step into each room, you'll be greeted by an atmosphere that is both luxurious and inviting. Every fabric has been carefully selected to enhance the overall aesthetic, providing a tactile delight that resonates with comfort and refinement.